who have come here for a mission, and this is to make to. So 1, 2, go.
I know for some of the teachers here and also the students will be engaging more. So we are not using hard disk anymore. So we are also using the latest technology. That means we moved everything. We moved the LCD units, which is the liquid disk.
ICT is one of the major subjects, especially in CMPA, because it is compulsory. So I want to take this opportunity on behalf of the school to appreciate your partnership, because this will go a long way in making teaching easier and opening our digital space. These days, ICT is a very important component, not only for learning, but also for even working online. So when our students are able to access these facilities at this age, then we are sure that when they get out, they will be equipped with the right skills.
Today we are very happy that we now have good enough computers that can be used by our learners, those who are taking the computer studies lessons, and those others who are learning the general use in ICT.
As we are synthesizing our community around, it is very, I am a bit concerned by our content creators around this county. And I want to keep reiterating that the digital space is open. It is possible that people can make money online. The president has been very aggressive to open the creative economy. But I want to urge our content creators in the county of Embu to make sure you create content without being abusive, without using vulgar language, content that can be consumed by parents and children and even everybody at the same time. It is alarming that we have our content creators only majoring on insults and derogatory language. So that it is our business as a community. And I'm sure even as we are moving forward, they will be flagged by the relevant authorities. Let us be civil.